take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me. Today I'm going to teach you how to play The Wait by the band. This is such a fantastic song. It's a lot of fun to play, a lot of fun to sing. It's a huge sing-along one. So if you're looking for something that you can bring to a sing-along or for everybody to harmonize, this song is fantastic. And the good news is it's few chords, a couple of fills, and we're good to go. So before we hop into the tutorial, make sure you download the free lyric and chord printable. You'll be glad to be able to print this out and jot some notes in it, write some stuff down as we're doing this tutorial. Totally free, no questions asked. Just sign up on the link below, and I'll leave it in the description box too. Anyways, without further ado, let's hop into the tutorial. Here we go. Now, so the song is in the key of A, and that means that there's an F sharp, a C sharp, a G sharp, and the key signature. I always recommend, even though we're not going to be playing the melody, that you play through the scale a few times just to kind of get your mind centered into the key, because all of the song, the different chords in the song are going to come from this key. So you just play the scale in the right hand, the left hand. Don't worry too much about fingerings or that. It's not really important. So we are going to start out by playing the basic chords. And the verse, the chords go A, C sharp minor, which is C sharp, E, G sharp, D, and then A. So this is one chord, 3 minor, 4 and 1 again. And I have taken the liberty of finding some nice voice leading for you. So you're going to go, this is A, C sharp is right here. So we're going to play C sharp in the second inversion, C sharp, G sharp, E. Such an easy way to play around with voicings or voice leading. And then D, we're also going to do in second inversion, A, D, F sharp. So you're going to go, I pulled into Nazareth, I was feeling about half past dead. You do this 4 times. I just need some place where I can lay my head. Hey, mister, can you tell me where a man might find a bed? He just grinned and shook my hand. No was all he said. That's it. That's like the whole song. So then we're going to go into the chorus, and I'm going to show you a couple of options with this as well. So you're going to go A, E, and then D. And for the time being, you're going to play these in root position. So you're going to go, take a load off Fanny, take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny, and then you're going to play, and you put the load right on, you put the load right on me. Then there's the little interlude section. So we're going to stop there and go back to the verse, and I'm going to show you the accompaniment strategy real quick. This is a standard rock kind of groove. We're going to go left, left, right, left, left, right. And so I always like to tap the rhythm out on the piano first or on my lap. And this is the same as we will rock you. It's got that same vibe. So you're going to go left, left, right, left, left, right, left, left, right, and a left, left, right. This is so easy to play and easy to sing on top of. And if you wanted to add, you know, you could do that if you want, but not necessary. Back to A. Dun, 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 dun. Good. And then for the chorus, you're just going to go, take a load off Fanny, take a load for free, and take a load off Fanny, and you put the load right on me. Okay. So for the chorus section, there is this piano fill that keeps coming back and coming back. Right? Doesn't that sound right? And so what I thought would be cool, because like you can't play this and then sort of run and put your right hand in there. So this is what I kind of came up for a solution. You're going to go play the chord in the left hand. And actually it would work best if you go A, E, D. A, E, D. Do it again. A, E, D. And then you're going to play the D chord again like that. And then what you're going to do is we're going to go back to our friend, the pentatonic scale. And I've said this a million times, but I'll say it again in case you are new here. The pentatonic scale, 1, 2, 3, and 5, and 6. Pentatonic because like a pentagon has 5 sides. This has 5 notes. But instead of thinking 1, 2, 3, 5, 6, you're actually going to think 5, 6, 1, 2, 3. And this is definitely how the pianist in the band is thinking of it. And so you're going to play a fill with that. So you're going to go, take a load off Annie. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And then if you want to pulse chords, you can in your right hand. You see how I did that? Let's do it again. Take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me. See how I did that? Okay. Not hard to do. And if you want to do it, you can do it in octaves, but you can do it in single note. It'll give the same idea. Okay. So now we have this little sort of interlude bit that takes us into the next verse. And so I'm going to show it to you. It goes A, and I'm doing A in first inversion. Then it's E over G sharp. And I'm doing the E in second inversion, B, E, G sharp. Then it goes to F sharp minor, which I'm doing in first inversion, A, C sharp, F sharp. And then it goes down to E, which I'm going to do in first inversion, like that, G sharp, B, E, and then D. Da, 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 like that, D in second inversion. So let me show it to you again. A in first inversion, C sharp, E, A. These notes that I'm playing here, you could jot into the lyrics and chord sheet that I gave you. So that where it says A, you could write C sharp, E, A. And then for the E over G sharp, you could either say E in second inversion, or you could write B, E, G sharp. You see what I mean? That's why I have the printable for you, in case there was any wondering. F sharp minor, A, C sharp, F sharp, E in first inversion, which is G sharp, B, and E, and then D. So let's look how that goes. It's going to go, take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me. And then if you want to go, right? And that's where we go, do-do-dee-da-da, which is the little bass line that you'll hear there, which guess what? It's part of the pentatonic scale, right? We're in pentatonic land. That's the whole song. How many minutes in are we? Less than 10 minutes, and you've learned the entire song. It's not hard at all. It's fabulous and fantastic. So let's do a playthrough. Why not? Maybe this will be the shortest tutorial I have ever done in the history of YouTube. We will see. So let's give it a go. That we're going to start off. Just play this as a little intro. I pulled into Nazareth. I was feeling about 10:30. I just need some place where I can lay my head. Hey, mister, can you tell me where a man might find a bed? He just grinned and shook my hand. No was all he said. Chord in the left hand. Take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me. I picked up my bag. I went looking for a place to hide. When I saw Carmen and the devil walking side by side, I said, hey Carmen, come on, let's go downtown. She said, I got to go, but my friend can stick around. Take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me. Go down, Miss Moses. There's nothing that you can say. It's just old Luke, and Luke's waiting on the judgment day. Well, Luke, my friend, what about young Anna Lee? He said, do me a favor, son, won't you stay and keep Anna Lee company? Take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me. Crazy Chester followed me and he caught me in the fog. He said, I will fix your rack if you'll take Jack, my dog. I said, wait a minute, Chester, you know I'm a peaceful man. He said, that's okay, boy, won't you feed him when you can? Take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me. Get your cannonball now to take me down the line. My bag is sinking low and I do believe it's time to get back to Miss Fanny. You know she's the only one who sent me here with her regards to everyone. Take a load off Fanny. Take a load for free. Take a load off Fanny. And you put the load right on me. Is that not so fun? I know I sound like a nut every single time I finish one of these tutorials, but like, it sounds like the regular recording. And what's fantastic about this is if you have a friend who's strumming on guitar, if you have someone who's playing like a box drum, like at a jam session or something, or just a little house party, it's very easy for people to even just like tap a tabletop. People can pick harmony notes because they sort of threw it all together on this recording. It's really, really a lot of fun to play. And even if people don't know all the verses, people go crazy playing the A sections. And you can see it's surprisingly easy to put the components together in this one, just one by one. especially if you just see it's kind of the same repeated pattern over and over. So I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. If it was, then be helpful to me and give me a big thumbs up. Subscribe to the channel. Yeah, the channel